Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode which is 1814, in which you just have to count nice pair in array. The thing is that what is the nice pair? First you have to check that nums of I plus reverse of nums of I is equals to j plus reverse of nums of I. Means first you have to understand this through a question that there is given a vector nums 42, 11, 1 and 97. There are two nice pair. Okay. First you have to how you will check this. First the question arises that how can you check this. First you have to take 42 and after that you just have to do the reverse of 97. Okay, 97 which is 79. And after that when you just plus this you got 121. Okay, and again if you do the 90 and if you take as a nums of j which is 97 and do the reverse of 42 which is 24, and after that you just plus it, you got 121. Okay, in the same way you can check for all the digits number and you will get the two pairs. Okay, so in this question first I will define the nums dot size and put the count variable which is 0. Okay, and count equals to 0, and after that you just have to create an order map which is int comma int mp. Okay, for int I equals to 0, I less than, and then I plus plus. You just have to do the reverse of nums of I. Okay, nums of I, you just pass all these values, and after that you just have to traverse through the loop for int I equals to 0, I less than, and then I plus plus, and if check if m dot find is nums of I is not equals to m dot end, then you just have to do count equals to count by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, here is given a, you just have to return the modulo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and after that you just have to do count plus is equals to mp of nums of I. Okay, and mp of nums of I plus plus, and if this condition is not satisfied then you just have to do mp of nums of I minus minus, and after this loop you just have to return count modulo, you just have to return count modulo okay, and after that you just have to write the reverse code also, int reverse int n int r equals to 0 while n is greater than 0. Then you just have to do one thing, r into 1 by 10. This is a code for a reversing any digits, so this is a basic solution. N by n modulo 10 and n by y equals to 10, and after that you just have to return the r. Okay, let's run this code whether this is running properly or not. Here is an error that MP is not defined. I hope this is the error. Why this is showing count if numbers are fine.